Every once in a while, a comment comes in that stops me cold. Not because it's common, not because it's simple, but because it's one of those failures that quietly destroys the truck while everyone is looking in the wrong direction. This driver says he's adding 2 gallons of oil a day, and that oil is ending up in the fuel tank. Multiple shops could not find it. So today, I want to walk you through exactly how this happens, why this is hard to diagnose, and why replacing one component is the only real repair. Let's be clear about something first. Oil does not magically mix with fuel inside a DD15. There is no normal operating condition where engine oil and diesel fuel should ever mix. So when oil shows up in the fuel tank, we're not talking about a sensor issue, we're not talking about software, and we're definitely not talking about an air compressor or a head gasket. This is a mechanical failure, and it happens in one very specific place. Let's talk about the DD15 high pressure fuel pump. This pump is fuel lubricated internally, meaning the diesel flows through the pumping elements to cool and lubricate them. But here's a critical detail most people miss. The camshaft drive gear is not lubricated by fuel. It is driven by the engine gear train, and that camshaft is sealed off from the oil side by a single internal seal. When that seal fails, something very dangerous happens. The engine oil, under pressure, gets pulled directly into the low pressure side of the fuel pump. From there, it doesn't stay localized. It goes through the pump, into the fuel rail, back through the return system, and eventually all the way back to the fuel tanks. This is why the driver keeps adding oil and why nobody can find an external leak. Most shops are trained to look for fuel dilution in oil, coolant contamination, or external leaks, but they're not trained to suspect oil migration into fuel. And unless someone actually pulls fuel samples, inspects fuel filters for oil saturation, or understands this pump design, this failure gets missed. Let me be very clear here. There is no reseal, there is no rebuild, there is no shortcut. When that internal cam seal fails, the pump is done. And if you don't replace it immediately, the damage spreads. Oil in the fuel system doesn't just burn off. It creates oil soot, and that soot ends up in places it never should. EGR cooler fouling, intake and delta P sensor contamination, injector damage, aftertreatment overloading, premature DPF restriction, and SCR efficiency issues. This is how a single failed seal turns into a large repair bill. If you're adding oil and can't explain where it's going, and your fuel seems thick, oily, or it looks dark and sticky, stop running the truck. Every mile you drive is contaminating systems that were never designed to see oil. This is why diagnostics matter. This is why understanding how systems are engineered matters. And this is why guessing gets expensive. If you want more breakdowns like this, real failures, real causes, subscribe. We don't chase symptoms, we find the root causes.